Hi, I'm Julie.
And welcome
to our disaster show,
where we try to cook something and hope for the best. It's not going to come out perfect. So today we're going to be making waffles with Hungry Jack pancake mix and pie themed. Okay, let's get started.
Sporks are horrible things.
You know, it's weird that they give us sporks for cereal instead of actual spoons.
We're going as fast as we can.
Our secret ingredient
is a whole bottle
is
of lemon.
Pure lemon extract. Hopefully not. Oh, that was a lot. We're just gonna mix that in. So what we're doing is we're covering the already put on there egg, some pancake batter. Watching our
pancake disaster.
Happy accident. We hope to see you again soon. Thanks.
Okay.